What's going on, fam? It's DC with another video. And on this video, I'm waiting for crude oil to give me a clear entry to take it back to the downside. Right now, it's sitting at the supply zone. I like how it rejected from the 15-minute. I like the closing of the 15-minute candle. So we're going to be patient and wait for price to give us an entry to take it back to the downside. So that's what we're waiting on. But if we get a clean close, a clean candle close above this supply zone, hey, that means that this zone is no longer valid and we're going to just move on. A lot of traders has asked me, how do you control FOMO? How do you not focus on the money? How do you just follow your plan and stick to your rules and be disciplined? Well, for one, you have to just focus on building your trading skill, on reading the market, on perfecting your strategy, building your confidence with your strategy. Not only that, but you have to be able to just focus on perfecting your skill, your trading skill. What's the most important thing about trading is not even the money, it's about the skill. When you focus on the skill, that's when the money just comes. It just comes to you. You're not looking for it. You're not chasing it. You're not just making setups that are not there. And since you're just focused on building good habits and following your rules, following your strategy, and just focus on taking the trades that align with your strategy, you're bound to just see profit.
Order filled.
All right, price gave us a clear entry. Now we just gotta wait for price to do what it needs to do, and we're just gonna manage the trade from here. We have our stop loss set and we have our TPs in mind, and we're just gonna follow that. Remember, you have to build good habits. Trading is about building good habits. It's not about the money that you're making. It's not about how much you can make. It's not about that. It's about the skill. It's about building your skill, following your rules, and managing your risk. That's what builds a trader. It's not about the money that they're making, because money is just a number on the screen. If you think that a good trader is built based on how much money they're making in the market, to a certain extent it's true, but most of the time it could be fake money. It could be just gambling. It could be over leveraging. It could be a bunch of things that you don't even know. I post content like this, helping other traders trying to get better, trying to perfect their strategy, just giving them a peace of mind of what it's like to be a starting trader, just to like building up capital, increasing in size. So I want to invite you to hit that follow button, like, comment, and share. I'm liking the rejection from the supply zone. We just need a clean close below. We just need a clean close and a clean push below this level, and we're going to be valid to keep going back to the downside. But as long as price holds this support level, it's gonna be looking rough. Look at the hold of that 5-minute support level, man. That's what I'm telling you. If we get a clean close below this candle, we're going to flush. Come on, baby. Just give me a flush. Come on, sweetheart. Oof, oof, oh my god. All right, we're gonna place our stop loss to break even now, and this is looking like a clean setup. All right, now our stop loss is at break even, and this is a free risk trade, and now we just let it run, let price do what it wants to do, and yeah, let's just see what it does. Oof. Oh my god, I didn't even finish talking. Let me finish talking first. Man. So in a rush just to stop me out, like chill. This one just might do it. This one just might do it.
Stop filled.
All right, so that was the trade right there. Price came back and hit our stop loss, and that's completely fine with us. It's DC. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace and love. God bless ya, man. Have a blessed weekend. Spend some time with your family, with your loved ones, and study. Don't think that the weekends is for parties, for chilling, which it is, to relax and refresh for the new week. But use this time wisely. Don't go get wasted. Don't go just splurging. You feel me? Just because you had a great week in the market, that doesn't mean that you could just do whatever now. You feel me? So, God bless y'all, man. Peace and love. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.